Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the RGB system and its power path so you can cut power safely. Once you know whether it's an addressable strip, a 4-pin LED connector, a smart bulb, or a peripheral, make sure to disconnect mains or turn off PSU via switch. If it's a smart controller, open the app and locate the device. If hardware-controlled, note the connector type. You should also prepare a screwdriver and multimeter to confirm there's no residual voltage before touching wires. Once power sources are identified, proceed to disable control. If it's a smart system, use the app to power off and disable automatic schedules, then unlink the device. For hardware RGB, unplug the controller, disconnect the 4-pin or 3-pin header from the motherboard, or remove the SATA/Molex feed. If working with bulbs, flip the wall switch off and wait a few seconds, then remove the bulb. Make sure to keep static-safe handling for PC components and avoid forcing connectors. You finish by verifying the lights are fully off and cool to the touch. If any LEDs remain lit, recheck that the correct feed is disconnected and that no secondary controller is supplying power. If software commands failed, reset or reflash the controller firmware, or swap it with a known good unit, because controllers can fail and send phantom power. If lights still have power, turn off the circuit breaker and measure with a multimeter to isolate stray voltage. This prevents damage and ensures safe troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.